There comes a moment in every soul's journey when the weight of existence becomes almost unbearable, when the very foundations of who we thought we were begin to crumble beneath our feet, when the dreams we held so dearly lie shattered like fragments of glass, each piece reflecting a different version of the pain we never saw coming. If you're listening to these words right now, you may be in that sacred, terrible space where everything feels broken beyond repair. Your heart might be echoing with loss, your spirit might feel depleted, and your faith in the goodness of life might be hanging by the thinnest of threads. I want you to know something profound. You are not broken. You are breaking open. There is an ancient wisdom that speaks of the wounded healer, the understanding that our deepest wounds become the source of our greatest compassion and strength. The Japanese have a beautiful practice called kintsugi, where broken pottery is mended with gold, making the repaired piece more beautiful and valuable than the original. Your breaking is not your ending. It is your golden beginning. The sacred nature of suffering. Pain, as much as we resist it, is one of our greatest spiritual teachers. It strips away the illusions we've built around ourselves, the masks we wear, the stories we tell ourselves about how life should unfold. In the raw vulnerability of suffering, we encounter truth in its purest form. When life breaks you, it's not punishment, it's preparation. The universe is not cruel. It is compassionate in ways our limited human perspective cannot always comprehend. Sometimes what feels like destruction is actually divine construction, rebuilding us from the inside out with materials stronger than we ever possessed before. Think of the caterpillar dissolving completely in the chrysalis before emerging as a butterfly. The caterpillar doesn't simply grow wings. It becomes something entirely new through a process that, from the outside, looks like complete dissolution. Your breaking might feel like that dissolving, but within you, something magnificent is taking shape. The alchemy of transformation. Spiritual healing begins with surrender. Not the surrender of defeat, but the surrender of resistance. When we stop fighting the current of our circumstances and begin to flow with them, we discover that the river of life has been carrying us toward healing all along. This doesn't mean becoming passive or accepting harmful situations. It means recognizing that within every challenge lies a hidden gift. Every setback contains a setup for something greater, and every ending is pregnant with new beginnings. Your pain has purpose. Your struggle has meaning. The tears you've cried are not wasted. They are watering the seeds of wisdom that will bloom within you. Every moment of darkness is teaching you to appreciate light in ways you never could before. Every loss is showing you what truly matters. Every betrayal is revealing your own capacity for forgiveness and authentic love. The practice of presence. Healing begins in the present moment, not in the past, where regrets and resentments live, and not in the future, where fears and anxieties reside, but right here, right now, in this sacred instant where life is actually happening. Place your hand on your heart. Feel it beating. This is proof that life force still flows through you. This is evidence that you are not finished, that your story is still being written, that the universe still has plans for you that you cannot yet imagine. Breathe deeply. Feel the air entering your lungs, carrying with it the possibility of renewal. With each exhale, release what no longer serves you. With each inhale, welcome the healing energy that surrounds you always, waiting patiently for you to receive it. The power of gratitude in darkness. One of the most profound spiritual practices during times of breaking is the cultivation of gratitude, not for what is lost, but for what remains. Gratitude in the midst of pain is not denial. It's defiance against the narrative that says you are defeated. Be grateful for your capacity to feel deeply. It means you are fully alive. Be grateful for the people who stayed when others left. They are showing you what true love looks like. Be grateful for your own resilience. The fact that you're still here, still breathing, still hoping, is a testament to the indomitable spirit within you. the community of broken hearts. You are not alone in your breaking. Across time and space, countless souls have walked this path of spiritual dissolution and renewal. The mystics, the saints, the wounded healers, they all knew this territory intimately. Their broken hearts became doorways to divine compassion. Reach out to others who understand. Share your story with those who can hold space for your pain without trying to fix it or rush you through it. Sometimes the most healing thing someone can do is simply witness your breaking with love and presence. The emergence of your true self. As you move through this process of spiritual healing, you'll begin to notice something remarkable. The person emerging from this experience is not the same person who entered it. You are being refined, like gold tested in fire with all the impurities burned away, leaving only what is authentic and eternal. Your compassion will deepen, your capacity for love will expand. Your ability to hold space for others' pain will become a gift to the world. The wisdom earned through your own healing will become a beacon for others lost in their own darkness. The eternal perspective. From the soul's perspective, nothing is ever truly lost. Every experience, even the most painful ones, contributes to the magnificent tapestry of your spiritual evolution. What feels like an ending is often just a transition to a higher octave of existence. Trust the process, even when you cannot see the destination. Trust that you are being held by forces greater and more loving than you can imagine. Trust that your breaking is not random chaos but sacred choreography, orchestrated by a universe that knows exactly what you need for your highest good. The invitation to heal. Healing is not a destination, but a way of being. It's not about returning to who you were before. It's about becoming who you were always meant to be. Your scars will become your strength, your wounds will become your wisdom, and your breaking will become your breakthrough. The invitation is before you now. Will you allow this breaking to break you open to greater love, deeper compassion, and profound wisdom? Will you trust that even in your darkest moments, you are being guided toward your highest good? The choice is yours, and the universe is waiting with infinite patience and love for your answer. You are loved, you are held, you are healing, and your greatest chapters are yet to be written.